So today we will see a general Ansible problem. The problem is create a task in main.yml to stop and start a service SSH. So the problem is related to service module, and here we don't have to use with item iterator, and we don't have to use restart state. We have to manually try stop and start the service. We have to manually stop and start the service. So to check the service status, we can use this. To run the playbook using Linux command, we can use this. So generally people consider this as the best solution, but sometimes the stats or the logs are wrong. Means whatever we expect that service should stop using this and service should start using this is wrong. So this is not the appropriate solution. It cannot stop and start the service. However, it will uh, give the change log. It will, if we run this code, then it will show that service is first stopped then started. But this is the not this is not the appropriate solution. So the steps are: first we will check services available in the init this particular path. So to check the service, we can use this task. So here we will search the service availability here on this path, and once the service is found, whatever the data is received will be stored here. To stop the service, we can use this. So this is the name of the service. To stop the service, we can use state stopped, and this is the when condition, that is service if it exists, then stop the service using this service command. And whatever, if service is stopped, the logs will be stored into this service underscore stopped. Similarly, we can start the service. So the actual solution is this. We have seen this. This is the first step, this is the second step, and this is the third step. Sorry, there it is. Started. Okay, so this is the appropriate solution. So in your main.yml, you write this code and are using this command. This will stop and start the service. So this is the appropriate solution. Okay, this works fine. This much. Thank you.